Welcome Art Agent Specialists, Agent L here. Your mission for April, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Number 1, add a thin wash of paint or gesso. Number 2, add texture through a stencil. Number 3, glue patterned paper shapes. Number 4, add a focal image or 2. Number 5, make marks with household items. Number 6, add a border of your choice. Number 7, add a quote incorporating words of the month. Number 8, finish with splats, drips or raindrops. Suggested colours: yellow, pink and green. Suggested words: nature, flower, shower, trees and April. Remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.